What if there was a protein that not only powered your biceps, but also your brain? Insert MUDWTR. MUDWTR is a shake not only for your body, but it's also for your mind. It's a complete vegan formula that not only has protein, but also mushrooms, adaptogens, nootropics. It also has probiotics, so it aids in your digestion. It's also great for muscle growth, satiety, and even helps you with your calmness and your clarity. So let's open this up and dive in. You know your girl loves a good packaging. So we have a little card here just telling you all about what's inside the package. There's 25 grams of complete vegan protein in this, which is incredible. You've got protein, lion's mane, cordyceps, ashwagandha, bacopa, probiotics, and vitamin D. So give it to you. All of the things. Your brain deserves as much as your biceps do. Listen, I am here for this packaging, but also the entire process that is what they're behind. I think this is so clever, but also so incredible. Ooh, do we open the box or the bag first? Let's open the box. See what we've got. Ooh, a new shaker and new stickers. Say less. Ooh, wait, this is nice. It actually has your ounces on here, but she is sleek. Wait, is she insulated? She is insulated, and you have the topper here that you can see that you can shake up the protein as you go, because you know your girl does not have time to be blending things. And then we have, we've got the chocolate formula. Wait, okay. So it's vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, no oils, no fillers. It's non-GMO and it's USDA organic. Y'all, look at this. So you mix 2 scoops daily with 10 to 12 fluid ounces of milk or water of your choice. Shake, blend, and enjoy. It's incredible. You get 180 calories per serving, 48 grams or approximately 2 scoops, and there's 15 servings per container in here. And I just love the fact that you get 25 grams of complete protein in here. So let's put it all together and see what it tastes like. So I personally like to do half water, half almond milk. So we're gonna mix this up to leave some room for the protein. Ooh, we gotta find the scooper. All right, let's drop it in, shake it up, and see what we're working with. Ooh, yes, that is not too thick, not too gritty, too grainy. This is good. Yes, I am a fan. So in total, 25 grams of plant protein, 2.6 grams of nootropics and adaptogens, 3 grams of fiber, 2 billion CFU of probiotics, and 100% of your daily vitamins for your vitamin D3. Y'all, it's called MUDWTR. Go and check it out. Power your brain and power your biceps.